at the park now. We're gonna mess around with this thing for a little bit. It's a beautiful day out. We're gonna practice some flips and just have a little fun down here, so stay tuned. We're going to try to launch the granite across the creek here, see if we can make it across with it. Probably going to land it in the lake or the creek. Pretty much, yeah. Oh. Reverse off the jump and then a front flip. Oh, I hate this controller. Oh, I did it, backflip. All right, guys, well, that is it for the Granite today. I thought the controller was getting worse or acting really bad today with the lagging problem and not taking off, but it turns out it was one of the motor connectors where you splice the motor together. It's not seating in there very well, and I just touched a wire and burned my finger, so it is time to get that thing fixed. Not a big issue, but that is it for the video today. Hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, peace out.